I never hit so hard in love.
Keep it going.
Oh no! Oh my God, Scotty, keeping it going! Oh my God, Chad, we're going today. We're going to level 5, boys. This is it. Oh my God, Scotty Frank going crazy today, like a baller. Scotty running things. Level 3 complete.
Level 4, 99%.
99% into level 4, chat. 99%. All bits, resubs, new subs, gifted subs count towards the train. All bits do. If you do 100 bits or more, you're guaranteed a badge. RX Gambler, or guaranteed an emote. And if you do more than one gifted sub right now, you will be in the running for a Hype Conductor train. I don't know if there's anyone in chat right now with the badge on. We're gonna have some new Hype Conductors right now. We have 4.5 minutes, chat, to make it through Tier 5. Scotty Frank currently holding both spots strong. Let's go, chat. 99% to go. Will we complete our first level 5 hype train in days? By 10 o'clock a.m., chat.
It's 10:01.
Scotty Frank literally crushing it right now. Commanding. Oh, I didn't know there was water. Oh, Twisted Booze. Is he going to take the spot? One more sub, Twisted Booze, and you get it. That was kind of low. Keeping it alive with the 500 biddies.
Thank you, Twisted Boost, for gifting us sub.
Let's see. Scotty Frank's still the conductor with 1 sub. You have to beat his 1
To get a
to
train.
take the train away from him. What's up, Sean Liu? But Scotty Frank also getting a train for bit.